All chilies here.
Yeah.
No, something we can't leave.
Hi guys, welcome to Explore Appetite. I'm here today with a new vlog and I'm going to cook something traditional today, a traditional food of Northeast, and she's my friend Kavita from Manipur and she's going to teach me how to make iromba. So let's see, and I have no idea about the name of the ingredients. At least ये तो पता है. This is pumpkin, this is potato, and this is king chili, and this is
Bamboo shoot.
Bamboo.
Actually, it's a fermented bamboo shoot. It's very common in Manipur.
okay in Manipur.
Yeah.
But I have no idea about these ones.
This is bamboo shoot. It is like very common in Manipur. I mean, I used to love this very much.
Yeah, the smell is so I'm drawing towards it, I want to eat that food, because I have been to many traditional restaurants, but I hardly, cook with fermented bamboo shoot. We always, kind of get that dried one, but the smell is not that kind of attractive maybe. Okay, but this one is quite attractive.
I find that very attractive.
Yeah, seriously. And what about these ones,
Okay, these are. Oh my God, you have.
What is this? This looks like a snake, right? What is this? Like the texture?
Oh my God. It's like a best friend. I mean,
Best friend?
Something we can't live without,
Seriously?
In Manipuri, this thing, I mean, this is to die for in Manipur.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is the stinky pea. We call it yongcha.
Yongcha. Oh, I've seen this actually in the market, and I had no idea. I know the name of the food, that iromba, and people use it, but I had no idea how do people eat it, I always wanted to buy them. My friend, always advises me, नहीं पता नहीं कैसे बनाएंगे तो खा के क्या करेंगे ना. इसलिए let's see, आज तो खाएंगे.
I mean, this you can eat it either like fresh or you
Okay.
can make it in iromba also. In fresh time, we use it in making singju also.
Singju also.
Yeah.
Yeah, about Singju also.
Yeah.
Next time we might, come up with a new video and then you can make Singju and I might taste. What is this?
This is, I don't know exact name of it in English, but or neither in Hindi, but we called it Hawaii movie in Manipur.
Hawaii movie.
Yeah.
Yeah, the name is so interesting. Like ये मटर के जैसा लगता है ना देखने में. Just look at it. But don't judge a book by its cover. ये मटर नहीं है, ये Hawaii movie है. Just look at the seed. Spill the bean and then look at the seed. And what is this? This looks so interesting, like a fern, right?
Yeah, this we call this lomba. Actually,
Lomba.
Yeah, we call this lomba. It gives some kind of fragrant smell. This is like we spray this after iromba,
Oh, so you
Like
add
that.
this
Yeah.
in the end.
At the end, we will take this out and then we'll spray it in the iromba.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and it gives us.
I'm so fascinated, Just look at it. Just आप लोग देखिए. वो बोल रही है, वो ऐसे इसको निकालेंगे यहाँ से ऐसे करके, right?
Yeah.
You have to tear it out and then last में जब iromba बन जाएगा and वहाँ पे add कर देंगे. See? So don't skip the video if you want to know how we add it. Okay?
And I promise you, you're going to love this smell.
Seriously?
Yeah.
She has promised that you're going to love the smell. So smell तो नहीं आप लोग देख पाएंगे, लेकिन मैं जरूर बताऊंगी कि smell कैसा था.
This is a mix of spices. This is produced in Manipur actually. This is, and I love this one. Lot of ingredients are there inside. You will get. I don't know.
This is I'll get this only in Manipur.
I think it is also exported outside.
If you want this, you can contact me. Okay, drop in the comments and I'll contact her. Okay. So really, this is a mixture of spice.
Yeah, mixture of spice. We use it in like fish curry.
Everywhere?
Everywhere, Not in iromba. No spices here. Only king chili, of course. But when
Okay.
it comes to other dishes like frying stuff,
We can add this in chicken.
Of course. Oh my God, that's.
So chicken में भी add कर सकते हैं इसको.
Fish में भी add
ठीक
कर
है.
सकते हैं, yes.
तो चाहिए तो कमेंट में लिखना पड़ेगा ना. तो लिख दीजिए and I'll tell her to bring some and then I can hand it over. Maybe कुछ give outs भी होते हैं ना. So ऐसा हो सकता है कि मैं किसी को give out कर रही हूँ. Not miss this.
Yes.
This is
This
king
is the-
chili.
Yes.
The pride of Northeast.
Yes, the king of all chilies.
So अभी हम लोग देर नहीं करते. We'll start the preparation and we'll show you. And there's something else to say to my audience.
Please enjoy the video.
Please enjoy the video.
And make sure you try this out.
Yes, and make sure you try this out. So आप लोग देखिए कि हम लोग कैसे prepare करते हैं इसको. I know this is not a cooking show, but you'll not regret watching this. Okay?
Yeah.
What will you do with these ones?
Now I'm going to
We'll add it here. अब हम लोगों ने जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स कट किए हैं, चॉप किए हैं, उनको हम लोग ये बॉईल करेंगे. ठीक है, तो while boiling, you know, we'll add salt or nothing.
No, nothing. Just simple boil.
Just simple boil.
Yeah, simple boil.
No oil.
No, nothing. Nothing.
No
at
oil?
all. Yeah.
Okay, so that's going to be healthy.
Okay.
हम लोग सिर्फ इरोम्बा नहीं खाएंगे, उसके साथ we'll have something else also. So we are preparing something. तो अभी ये है pumpkin. So we are 3 people here, me, Kavita and the one who is shooting. Okay. So अभी हम लोग इसको बनाएंगे. So मेरे पास ये जो इतना बड़ा सा है ना, घर पे तो मम्मी करती है. अभी सीना मुझे ये लेके आना पड़ा. पता नहीं इसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं. बंगाली में तो बोलते हैं, बंगाली एंड ऐसे बोलते हैं दा बोलते हैं ना. सॉरी इसका दा नहीं बोलते. दा तो वो बड़ा वाला होता है. दिस इज बोटी. It's very helpful actually, but you should know how to use it. You know, we have planned to prepare egg fry and then dal and iromba, and there is one special ingredient which we will be adding later on. हम लोग बाद में ऐड करेंगे वो ingredient और आपको दिखाएंगे कौन सा वाला ingredient है, क्योंकि उसके बिना तो iromba बनेगा ही नहीं. Okay, so wait and watch till I chop this. हम लोगों ने काट लिया है. So we are going to cook this pumpkin like we always do in a traditional manner. We are going to cook it with a twist. So हम लोग आज pumpkin को bamboo shoot से बनाएंगे. You know, she gave me this idea and she told me that it tastes really good. You know, so I'll try this today. This is my first try and I hope it will be good. And I like what I hope. I know it will be good because she has kind of convincingly told me. And
I did.
she did. See, look at the confidence. The confidence के साथ जब कोई बोलता है ना तो जहर भी खा लूँ मैं. And this is the special ingredient I was talking about. What is this?
This is nari.
Nari. Just look at it. And this is the one which we are going to add in iromba. And most of you must have guessed that this is actually dry fish, right?
Yeah, dry
This is dry fish in Bengali.
Fermented.
This is where you know people from Bengal, you know, West Bengal and from Silchar, you know, they're very fond of this dish, right? They cook it in a different manner, you know, they add a lot of spice and then they cook it. This is called shutki mach, right?
Yeah.
But this is actually kind of, they prepare this in Manipur, right?
Yeah. So this has got a distinct smell. You know?
Distinct smell, not the one which we buy from market.
Yeah.
Okay, this, and so we'll add this in iromba, and we are skipping this bamboo shoot because we are making yongchak iromba.
Yes.
Okay, so in case you prepare some other kind of iromba,
Yeah. We can use
then we can add.
they use this bamboo shoot
And
potato.
this.
Yeah. Peas, then kimchi, bamboo shoot, and potato. We can make a different type of iromba. We call that
Subhum iromba. So when you are cooking subhum iromba, you can skip yongchak, the long bean you saw, and otherwise you can use this ingredients, not tej patta. Okay, ये tej patta को नहीं देना है. बाकी सब लेके you know you all can cook it. Okay, so आज जो हम लोग खाएंगे, आज आप लोगों को दिखाएंगे. So now we have to rush actually. बहुत time हो गया and we're really hungry.
Okay.
So let's prepare.
Okay.
So you boil the potatoes and the beans. No, not beans. The yongchak.
Yes, yes.
And this one the
Hawaii.
Hawaii movie. Actually, we've boiled all this and now it's almost tender, right?
Yeah, it's all tender now.
Just look at it, you know, it's
yeah.
all tender here. And now, I know the next step.
Next step, I'm going to smash this all, mix it up.
We're going to smash it all and mix it up.
Okay, and we're going to do that roma and the
Oh, that herb, that fragmented herb.
yes, yes.
We'll put that and then ready to eat.
Yeah. Okay, so
Okay, so stay tuned.
yeah.
See how she smashes it. So she's ready to prepare the romba. It's already boiled, you know. We've already said that. So अभी उसको वो मैश करने वाली है. So just look into the process. कैसे करती है मुझे भी नहीं पता. I'm trying to learn it. So आप लोग भी सीख लीजिए कैसे करती है.
So these are all the ingredients that is required after the boiling process. Now we're going to peel this.
Oh, you have to peel it.
Yes, we're going to peel it because this cover is quite bitter. So we're going to peel this.
Help her out.
Okay, so now I'm going to use this glass, but usually, traditionally, I mean, at home, when my mother used to smash it with the hand for the, for convenience sake.
Convenience sake, she's
We're
using
yes,
this glass.
Yes, so I'm going to smash it. First, you will smash these beans. We call it Hawaii movie.
Hawaii movie, yes.
Now I will also smash the
Potato.
Yes. Okay, now we are going to add the nari, the very important ingredient of iromba. Here you go. Sleep. You add a bit of water here. And don't forget this yonchak. Spread it up here.
So this is the fragmented herb.
Yeah.
ज़्यादा नहीं डाला, इतना से ही डाला, इतना से हो जाएगा?
हो जाएगा.
इतना से हो जाएगा. अच्छा देखते हैं. So I'll add this now.
Yeah, just sprinkle it
कुछ
here.
तो नाम कमाना पड़ेगा. Now we're going to mix it.
Yeah.
So it's almost ready. It looks really yummy. So हम लोग जब खाना खाएंगे तब आप लोगों को दिखाएंगे. Let me get ready with the platter and till then stay tuned.
Okay, now we are going to fry the pumpkin.
So we're going to cook pumpkin now. This is pachforon.
Yeah.
This is pachforon and she's washed this bamboo shoot and then squeezed the water out. She's made it dry. So just look through the process, you'll not shoot it more, just look through the process.
Okay, now
just look into it.
Okay, now we are going to put this pachforon inside. Then we are going to taste butter. Okay. I hope you remember this ingredient. So we're going to put this in. You can see that the onions are getting golden. So I'm going to add this pumpkin here. All of it.
So actually, she had an idea. We had fried fish. She brought it from her home actually. So we had fried fish and she told me that we can add that fried fish in the pumpkin along with the bamboo shoot. हमने फ्राइड फिश ऐड कर दिया बैम्बू शूट के साथ और उसने बोला कि बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट करेगा. So let's see जब हम लोग खाएंगे ना everything will be in the platter, then you all can see, जब when I'll taste it I'll let you know how is the taste. Okay? So everything is ready on the table. So हम लोग खाना खाएंगे. बहुत जोर की भूख लगी है. 3 बज रहा है. हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया था अराउंड 12:30 राइट. 12:30 बहुत टाइम लग गया. सो सबसे पहले हम लोग टेस्ट करेंगे इरोम्बा. Really?
It's spicy.
मुझे खाने से मना कर दिया. देखिए तो
Spicy.
बोल रही बहुत स्पाइसी है. So I'll take this much. उसको थोड़ा सा ही दिया. उसको तो दिखा लेगा बोला ना उसने. Yeah, it's very spicy. बहुत ही मीठा है.
Told you.
But it's really yummy. I just थोड़ा चावल के साथ मिक्स करके थोड़ा सा खाएंगे.
Yes, that is a better way.
That is the better way, right?
Yeah.
The seed becomes so tender.
Yeah.
No?
It does.
It is really good pumpkin, guys. She has added this mushroom and again mushroom. It's bamboo shoot. I'm making this mistake since the start, right?
Yeah.
तो इसमें उसने mushroom add, इसमें उसने bamboo shoot add किया, fish add किया, and the flavor is so balanced. Seriously, or there is no tomato, right? Tomato?
No tomato is there.
No tomato, nothing. मैं तो हमेशा हर जगह में टमाटो को सर्व करती हूँ लेकिन उसने बहुत ही अच्छा बनाया है, बहुत ही अच्छा. It's really yummy. You all can try this recipe. Trust me, and you'll never regret this.
And I'm also feeling a little bit proud here.
You should feel proud. We are really proud that I have a friend like you who cooks well, not better than me.
Really?
Yes, you do. So मैंने भी कुछ बनाया है. मैंने बनाया है सैलड. तो मैंने इसमें ऐड किया है बीटरूट, then cucumber, onion and tomato and little bit of chilies, and उसको फिर अच्छे से मिक्स कर दिया है. सिर्फ एक इंग्रेडिएंट नहीं है इसमें, लेमन. अगर लेमन होता तो टेस्ट थोड़ा और अच्छा था. मुझे पता नहीं इसका टेस्ट कैसा हुआ है. आई थिंक ये सब इतना अच्छा हुआ है ना, मुझे लग ही नहीं रहा है कि इसका कुछ टेस्ट आएगा क्योंकि ये सब बहुत अच्छा है. सीरियसली ट्रस्ट मी. I'm going to give her some salad and take the feedback from her कि मेरा सैलड कैसा हुआ है. मैंने सैलड बनाया है.
It's a super nice salad. Salad look extremely beautiful. Look at the color, and I love the texture of it. And it looks super healthy. I mean, after all, the ingredients are super healthy.
But I don't know the taste, I don't think so. ये सब showstopper है. ये तो
Okay, now we're going to find it out. Let's see if this one makes it.
fingers crossed.
Oh my god! Seriously?
What, you like it?
Of course I like it. Are you kidding me?
Oh.
Are you telling me these are the showstopper? What about this? You are underestimating this one. Seriously, this is super nice. Everybody should have it. I feel like we should be having it in every meal, This is
Really?
super healthy,
Yeah,
super
it's healthy, I know, but I don't know if everybody likes it, but I really love salads.
No,
And I'm really...
definitely everyone is going to love this.
Okay, so you can
guarantee
try
this
this.
one.
If you love salad, you can try this. So, इसके साथ अच्छा जा रहा है. Everything is so balanced here, ना. It's like a healthy diet, because we haven't added much oil. ज़्यादा oil नहीं है, बिना oil वाला खाना है. बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. I'm really thankful to her that she came here, and उसने मेरे साथ बनाया. उसने मुझे सिखाया कि रोम्बा कैसे बनाना है. And I'm really thankful to you, Kavita. Thank you for being there, in my blog, and keep coming, and you'll keep seeing her. Okay, so she's my friend, and don't miss one thing which I'm going to show you now. Okay, so before that, I'll tell you, please like, subscribe, and keep sharing my channel, and comment कि कैसा लगा सब कुछ देख के. Okay, bye, good night. Friends, I'm still recording. तुम लोगों को पता नहीं, मैं अभी भी record कर रही थी. So this is the cameraman, Thank you, Oli. She made a beautiful video. So. Bye.